Alright, let's have a discussion around data entry and editing. Select the cell where you want to enter data with your primary mouse button and then start writing. So I'll type out some list of names. So that's how you enter, just simply click the cell and start typing. To move up and down, you can press enter or also use your arrow keys to go here and there. You can also use your cursor and just simply select the cell where you want to move, right? Now let's say I want to edit this name, right? So there are two ways. First, just double click the cell with your primary mouse button like this, and then you can just edit it, right? That's it. The other the other method is simply select the cell and go in the formula bar, right? And then just press enter. So that's how you write names and you can edit it, right? Now, a very important thing that I want you to observe and be mindful of is that text entries in Excel are always left aligned and numbers are always right aligned. Now, this is a very important attribute in Excel as it helps in identifying errors. So, what sort of errors? I'll give you a hypothetical example. So, let's say there's a big list, but there are two numbers in that list, like this. Now, a person can read this as 10 and this as well as 10. But if you know this basic rule that numbers are always right aligned, but this entry is left aligned. So maybe there is some text in it, which is 1 and O. Right, 1 is a number and O is text. So because of which it is left aligned. So this is a very important rule that you should always remember. So to cut the long story short, all data entries beginning with a letter of the alphabet or a punctuation mark are considered text. All data entries that mix letters A to Z and numbers are considered text. That's why 1 or O is a mix of letter and number, right? Then we have all numeric data entries that contain punctuation other than comma, periods, and forward slashes are considered text. So always remember this attribute. So that's it for now. We'll see you in the next video.